Sitting in a garden shade, sun rays gently fade, flowers bloom in a parade, dreams are softly made. Whispering leaves dance slow, breezes softly flow, nature's sweet glow, feel the peace grow. In this garden of our own, no place we'd rather roam. Here we feel at home, never feel alone. Birds sing melodies among the tall green trees. Every moment frees, time is at ease. Petals fall like rain, softly touch the pane. Solitude we gain, free from any strain. Garden dreams are true, in the morning dew. Every breath is new, life feels simply blue. In this garden of our own, no place we'd rather roam. Here we feel at home, never feel alone. Birds sing melodies among the tall green trees. Every moment frees, time is at ease. Ooh.